Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows security missing not showing under privacy and security. So firstly click on start and type firewall.cpl. Open this command. If you see this screen, so close it. Now again click on start. Now type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Now type this command line I will give in description. Then press enter. Now exit and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve Windows security missing not showing under privacy and security on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.